So I'm going to pull the motor. We're going to, I've got it over here on a bench. I'm going to pull it apart, put some rings, pistons, hone the cylinders, and replace the crank seals in it. Just to freshen it up, getting a little tired, so we want to do that with it. So got it over here sitting on the bench, and so we're going to do that. So stick around and hey everyone, Mike, Pine Ridge Garage here again. Today going to be working on my 03 Rev snowmobile. I pulled the motor. It's got over 10,000 miles, this snowmobile. It's been a great sled. I'm going to pull it apart, put some rings, pistons, hone the cylinders, and replace the crank seals in it. Just to freshen it up, getting a little tired, so we want to do that with it. So
yeah, that is really nasty.
I know. I pulled that out. I'm like, yeah, there's it.
Yep, that's what it did. It overheated and blew the seal.
Yeah. The set of bearings,
needle bearings,
well, and this bearing,
the end bearing.
No,
now it's up to you on these. I think we can fill them. I don't see any reason.
Seal and then
right. I mean, if the bearings aren't expensive, you just put two new ones on there. Take a look at them.
Hey everyone, Mike here at Pine Ridge Garage. Welcome back. So, been working on this snowmobile engine. It's a 600 HO for my 2003 Rev. My bearing came in for the PTO side. I'm gonna we're going to put that on. I've got this induction heater, which is just an induction cooktop, and so we're going to heat this up to 200 degrees, and should be able to just pick it up, drop it right on. I've got these gauge blocks because we mic'd it ahead of time, and they're 1/2 inch gap between bearings. This bearing and then the other one, and then there's these two rings that go in the casing, so in between the bearings. So what we'll do is I'm going to heat this up, we'll drop it down, and seat it on top of these is the goal. Alright, well, so got the bearings, got them pressed on. This one, these two, this one is still good, these two are still good. So now we gotta put the ISO grease. We'll get that put in.
Yep, feels good. All right.
Does it?
Swing her over. Oh yeah, feels nice.
All right, good.
Then bolt out this side, just like that. Yep. Good. Oh, you don't.
Alright, just want to make sure it's right, and then we will, I want to put a little bit of anaerobic on it. I just put a little just for tackiness.
I'll go get it. we got the engine setting in there. Got this side of the motor kind of assembled, all the hoses and oil, fuel, lines hooked up, motor mounts are in, reed valves, got them all in. So just gotta end up finishing up the coolant side of things. And exhaust, we'll continue to work on it. It's getting there. A lot of big help from Paul, reassembling the motor, so should be good. Okay, well, we got it all assembled. Clutches are on, carb exhaust. Still got to put some coolant in it, but what I want to do is, I got to put all that back together, but what we're going to do is see if it fires off, and then we'll put the coolant in it. Stay tuned. Give her just a little squirt here. A little starting fluid in it just to help pop off. Let's see here. All right, key on, ignition. Ready? Here we go. Nice. There we go. Unfortunately, it's been a few months trying to get this all back together, trying to deal with it, but we got it. Thanks to my brother-in-law, Paul. It was awesome. He helped me rebuild it. Anyways, we'll get some coolant in it, and we'll get that all going. Make sure that's working. That'll be next. Thanks. All right. Welcome back, everyone. Friends and family of YouTube. So, going now. Load the sleds up. Gonna take a trip to the UP to break this snowmobile in. Got that motor rebuilt, so come along.